How's it going, guys? I'm gonna try to see if I could get this Aeroforce gauge installed in the car, or let me see how it works. Yeah, so I got this gauge because I said I'm going E85, so this is what I'm gonna need to read how much percentage E85 I'm doing. Let me put you guys down real quick because I can't even open the box. There you go. There it is. Focus. But yeah, I did get a different face for it. This is the stock one. Then I got me a Carbonfiber 01. Oh, don't focus. So far, doesn't look. Ooh, wiring. Oh, and it comes with another one. White one. I didn't know. So, let me try to change the face first and show you guys. Here we go. Wasn't too hard. So I got everything now. I thought I didn't have the pod. I was like, wait a minute. Because like I said, I don't know how to do this. I'm actually looking at Lita Camaro. Shout out to Matt. This is gonna help me out. But then he showed the pod and I was like, wait a minute, I don't have a pod. Well, I had it laying down next to my computer. So I'm gonna try to kind of put this together and then we'll go to the car. So special delivery came in today. There you go. Finally, the second one. First one came cracked. Double packaged it this time. Double checked it. So I'm excited, and I was gonna start vacuuming the car. Well, you can't even see me. Hold on. Yeah, so it's like a few days from the gauge install. I had to get it done real quick. As you can see, it is on there. I had to put everything back together real quick. Sorry I couldn't show you guys fully because my sister was coming out from work and I had to pick her up, so I had to get the job done real quick, and I think it was a bad video anyway. So yeah, so if you guys want to install that gauge, follow Lito Camaro on YouTube. He does a good tutorial. That's where I was looking at. He does a lot of 6th gen installs, which is really helpful. And let's get this whole box open up and see how, if it's hopefully not damaged or anything. Because like I said, the first one was damaged, wasn't even unloaded out of the truck. You could there was a gauge through the box hole, and you were able to see the damage. So I had to return it, and ended up getting another one, and finally got here. So let me go get the tripod. So I'm gonna open the box, and I'll get you guys closer once I get it open. did good packaging. Yeah, there's a hole, but doesn't look like anything damaged. So let's see. Can't wait. It's funny because I thought they were gonna call me to tell me that they're on their way. I'm right here trying to clean up my mess. Whoa, clean up my mess. A bunch of oils that I gotta take to AutoZone. I was gonna start vacuuming the car and then pretty much give it a little clean. Take this cherry picker to the back. But yeah, then they showed up out of nowhere. Which, I'm not complaining. Dope. No. Carbonfiber hood. Brother just came. So let's get this install going. So parents and brother wanna go grab some food. I'm gonna get started on taking out the stock of it and trying to put that Carbonfiber one on. Just gonna give you guys on the tripod. Also, a buddy of mine is coming. Probably give me a hand. So it's gonna be pretty exciting. So pretty much got everything loose. The bolts from the hood are 15 mil. The ones from the shock is also 13. So just the heat shield is recommended to get heat shield. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if you guys watched Lito Camaro. He also got heat shield because these cars produce a lot of heat. Luckily for me, I don't daily it or anything. So I could just put it on, drive it just not far distance, or try to produce a lot of heat on the car until the heat shield comes. Mo from Autoaddict, I'll provide that. It's gonna ship me out that heat shield, so I could get it installed, and then we could go more further distance. For the meantime, just gonna get it installed, so I can't wait. And yeah, I am proudly to say I am sponsored by Autoaddicts, so you will be seeing future plans with them, with my build, and hopefully I'm able to take the car to them and get more goodies with them. Planning to wrap the car, like I said, with them. So yeah, thank you, Mo, for taking care of me. I really appreciate you. You guys have a great company, and it's nice to be working with you guys. So you guys out there, if you guys need any 5th gen, 6th gen Mustang also parts, hit up Autoaddict. I'll put it down. I'll put their website down below, and check them out, please do. They do amazing work, and they could get you guys any parts you guys want. So yep, just waiting. I want to keep losing these, but I'm afraid the hood falling or something. So hopefully my friend gets here real soon. Real soon. So I can get the hood on. So I'll start recording again once either I get the hood off, or once he gets here and starts helping me out. guys, so I'll show you guys around of the car right now. I met up with my buddy Renee. Do a quick little photo shoot. Guys, it's beautiful outside. Hopefully you guys could hear me. I don't have something to block out the wind, but yep, it's a dope view. We're here at the Premium Outlet Mall, Vegas. So, there's just the crew right there. Better now. So let me know what you guys think of the new look. I might lower the front, don't know yet, but looks good. Look at the view, look at this. Like I said, thanks to Anderson Composite and Autoaddict for getting me a good deal on this hood. Looks amazing. And can't wait to do more, get more Carbonfiber parts. Stay tuned on that. So, let me show you guys the gauge real quick. Check out his Instagram. I'll link it down in the description below. If you guys want to see some photos, and if you guys want to see his pictures, I'll post them on my Instagram too. So, hold on, let me show him the gauge real quick. It's gonna be on this side, bro. I haven't really posted it. So, there's the gauge. Oh, looks amazing. Like I said, yeah. So dope. I need to get me more Carbonfiber interior too. But yeah. Stay tuned. Yeah, so you guys think impressive or what? Yeah, like I said, I need to lower the front. I'll get a bigger tire. So I got bigger plans coming for this car. There's the full walk around of it. Oh, there it goes. More of that red. Whoa. But yeah, stay tuned, you guys. Many more things to come. I still gotta tune it too. I need to get E85, and I got maybe a new vehicle coming soon. Not sure yet. So please subscribe if you guys want to keep seeing more. Alright.